Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 6 of the best stylus pens in 2022 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So, let's get started. Let's begin with the Bargains Depot. This Bargains Depot stylus is designed especially for beginners. They come in a slim and lightweight body with a clip design that can easily clip in your pocket, book, diary, and more. When compared with its old version, this new upgraded stylus has an added 6mm rubber tip, metal cap, and changed to a high quality and flexible clip. And featuring a small rubber tip, it will allow you to select small icons, click small links, and give you the accurate selection, making it perfect for drawing apps and carrying around. Finally, for compatibility, it works great with all capacities touchscreens devices like Apple iPad, iPhone, iPod, Kindle, tablet, Galaxy, and more. Next is the Wacom Bamboo. This Bamboo Ink Plus is an excellent improvement over its predecessor with better design and an ability to connect to any Windows Ink compatible device via either Wacom AES or MPP. It comes covered in a brushed rubber type surface that makes it a little grippier in your hand than the usual pen. And since it has a triangular barrel, you can keep it from rolling off the desk, and the easily replaceable nibs as well. Specs-wise, it has up to 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, and for battery, it comes equipped with a rechargeable lithium polymer battery, which can last up to 10 hours of use. Next is MEKO. This MEKO disc stylus is a stainless steel aluminum fine-tipped stylus with no plastic parts and is also one of the affordable styluses on the market. It comes with 4 disc tips and 2 fiber tips, and these tips of both sides are replaceable, and they are compatible with all capacitive touchscreen devices like Apple iPads, iPhones, iPods, Kindles, QA, Samsung Galaxy cell phones, tablets, laptops, and more. Since it has a clear disc tip, it will allow the pen wielder to see exactly where the mark is being made to ensure accuracy. And featuring fiber tips, it is also suitable for standard web browsing, drawing, and overall navigation. So, in all, we can say that with great compatibility, price, and multiple tip functionality, this MEKO is the best precision stylus on a budget. Next is Apple Pencil. If you're an Apple product user and want the most crack for your buck, then this stylus is for you. It can connect to your iPad Pro or 6th Gen iPad via Bluetooth, giving you the ability to draw, paint, write, and draft with single pixel accuracy. And while using, the Pencil and iPad Pro work together to determine the pencil's position on the screen, and force at which it's pressed into the display, and the angle at which it is held. And, as a result, it will let you alter the thickness and shading of the mark you're making in a fluid, natural manner. You can use it in a number of apps, including the Mail and Notes app and various third-party apps. And finally, for battery, its battery can last for up to 12 hours and can be charged by removing the cap and inserting the Lightning connector into the Lightning port on your iPad Pro. Next is Microsoft Surface Pen. The Microsoft Surface Pen is a capable stylus for compatible Surface devices like the Surface Laptop 3 and Surface Go 2. It also works great with various devices, offering handwriting recognition and a pressure-sensitive tip for drawing and sketching. It now has 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity with virtually no lag, and you can use it to shade in your drawings as you would with a pencil. It houses a side button for quick access to shortcuts and commands, as well as a tip eraser for a natural workflow. And for further customization options, you can change out the tip to one that fits your style. For battery, it is powered by a single quadruple A battery, while for connectivity, it can pair to your device wirelessly via Bluetooth 4.0. Lastly, we have the Adonit Pro 4. This Adonit Pro 4 is another excellent option that works on all of your touchscreen devices, while looking luxurious, and its price point is also reasonable. Its tip has a soft PET material disc, and in the center of the disc, you can see a metal disc about the size of a pinhead, the pin's point, which will glide smoothly over your touchscreen without scratching it. Since you can see through the disc, you can see where you're aiming your stylus, and this tip can also rotate around freely, letting you hold the stylus at many different angles according to your preference. Its sleek grooved hook is designed to secure the stylus into a bag or pocket, while its copper cap that screws onto either end works just like a pen cap that protects the stylus when not in use. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.